welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. Today's video is going to be on my Amazon decor haul. Now ever since I shifted to my studio, by the way, studio tour is already up. If you have not watched that video, go give it a watch. So ever since I posted that video, a lot of you had questions about where is this from, where is that from, where is this ladder from. So I thought, why not sit down and talk to you guys about everything that I've bought from Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I have spent my own money on these products. Plus I can give you my review as well because these products are there in my studio from past 3-4 months. So I have a better idea about these products. Also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Manasi and my birthday series is going on. That's why you saw that day 20 in the beginning, because you must be wondering, hey, day 20 kya hai? Well, I'm posting 24 videos in this month because I am turning 24 on 26th of Jan. Whew, this intro was very long. If you have not followed me yet, please subscribe kar lo yaar. It's free. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, let's start from the first item, which is this ladder right here. I get this question in almost all of my videos कि ये ladder कहाँ से ली हुई है. It's from this brand called as SS Arts. And it's called the SS Arts Engineered Wood Multi-Purpose Wall Corner Stand. There are 5 plates, okay, so there are 5 compartments on which you can keep stuff. I got it for around 2,600 rupees, which I feel is a really good deal. You are supposed to assemble it on your own, but it's very easy. If you follow me on my vlogging channel, you would have already seen that my Baba and I assembled this entire thing. Starting ke 2 weeks, so I didn't even put the screws, so it does work without the screws as well, but just for the safety purpose, I put the screws in. They give you the screws as well. It's pretty straightforward. It's not difficult at all. So if you are someone who's thinking to get something different and something in white color, because I think all of us have like a wooden brown kind of furniture at home, and I mean that's okay. Even my actual house has brown furniture, but I personally love white furniture. It just makes your place look more spacious. Next up, let's talk about the evergreen forest that I have in my studio. So iske upar there is a place where it's a storage place, but I never used it for that. I kept a lot of plants over there and it looks very beautiful. Most of the plants are bought online. So the 3 small plants which are there right now also on this stand are from IKEA. It's a set of 6 if I'm not wrong. Let me just check. Sorry, it's a set of 3 and you get that for 520 rupees, and I feel it's a good deal because the quality is really good. They look very cute, plus white hai niche, so it goes well with the whole decor that I have in my studio. That's from IKEA. The next big plant is from this brand called as Tumfu Panda, and I got a set of 2 for 350 rupees, which is again a good deal. And then I got one more species or type of plant, which is by this brand called as Fancy Mart Artificial Bamboo Plant, and I got 2 of those, and one retails for 420 rupees, which I thought is a little expensive, but starting me I was so desperate to get plants. I was like, whatever it is, I will get it. So yeah, these are the plants which are there on the upper rack. Okay, the last full patta wala product from Amazon are gonna be these flowers. So on this side of the wall, the theme is kind of nude beige and a hint of pink. So the pink cherry blossoms which I have, pink cherry blossoms or whatever, those pink flowers basically are bought offline from a store in Kandivali. So I can't give the link of that, but the white ones are bought from Amazon, and the store name is Sofix Store. And first I was very skeptical about it, to be very honest. I thought it would look very plasticky, but that's not the case, and it goes well with the pink flowers, and I just love that corner. And the price is 199 rupees, and there are a lot of other shades. There is purple, there is yellow, there is pink, so you can go and check those products out as well. Now that we are on that side of the wall, let's talk about the wooden mount shelves that I've got. So all 3 of them were bought from Amazon, and I think the price of each was 800 rupees, 850 to be precise, the round ones, and those are called wooden twist metallic wooden wall shelf. And there are different shapes available as well. So I got 2 in circular shape and the other one is in hexagon, and those are really good quality. Of course you have to build it kind of, so the rings come differently, so you have to just put them together, and then you have to keep the wooden shelf, I mean wooden putty, whatever that is called, and then you can keep stuff on top. So the plants are again from IKEA, which I already spoke about. I put some screws on the wall and then I hung it according to my liking. I had to take a lot of measurements. My friends and I sat one day and took the measurements, and then I have wrapped around some fairy lights, and it looks beautiful at night when I switch it on. And I think it's one of my favorite corners in the house. I mean, of course this is also my favorite corner, but the second favorite corner has to be that one. Next up, let's talk about the planters that I have. So I have 2 planters. It was a set. and इसमें grey और pink था वो set में. I of course painted the pink one with the lavender shade, the shade that I used on my wall. So I just painted that and made it lavender, so it will just, you know, be cohesive with the theme. The packaging was top notch, because when I was thinking to order something so big from Amazon, I was really worried. When this one also came, I was really worried that it will break, but nothing broke. This one was also very well packed, and so were the planters. So those are for 1899. That means almost 2000 rupees, and I feel it's value for money because you're getting 2 planters and they just look so beautiful in the corner. If you're wondering, the plants did not come with the planter, okay? The planter was different. I have bought those plants separately from Westside, not from Amazon. Next up, let's talk about my kitchen area. Now, a lot of you girls asked me, Manasi, where is this wallpaper from? I feel it's expensive. Now, of course, if you want to decorate your entire kitchen, you will need a lot of these wallpapers. They are big enough, okay? They are big, very big, and they look beautiful as well, but I feel they are expensive. So think wisely if you really want to invest in those. My kitchen is very, very small, and I just had to do 1 or 1.5 wall. So I got a set of 4 for 900 rupees, okay? Plus, if you are thinking कि वो निकल जाता है कि नहीं, well, it will not. It is very, very sticky, so you have to be very careful. Once it's stuck, it's stuck. Of course, you can remove it later. बहुत pressure से निकालना पड़ेगा, but निकल सकता है. And I don't know how many surfaces it can stick to, but I think tiles पे तो पक्का चिपकेगा. If you are putting it on like a painted wall, when you remove it, the wall paint is gonna come off for sure. So keep that in mind as well. Then let's talk about this lamp that I've gotten. It's the moon lamp. I am in love with this lamp. It changes colors. I'm gonna show you. There's a remote that it comes with. Then it also comes with a charging cable, so you can just connect it to whatever adapter or power bank that you have, and you can charge that. And off, on, red, green, blue. There are so many colors. Yellow. Then it also flashes if you want it to flash, or you know, it will just give a nice strobing effect. It just changes colors on its own. This is just too good. I mean, Shelly comes and plays with this all day long. Whenever she comes, she just loves it. So if you are someone who wants like a night lamp kind of a thing, definitely check this out. It's worth the money. It's not gimmicky at all. Also, it looks beautiful in pictures. So if you are someone who wants to, you know, play around with your Instagram content, you definitely can check it out. Next up, let's talk about the poofy that I have, which my friend CK loves. It's like his asan, we call it. Nobody sits on it, only he does. It's from this brand called Generic, and I got it for 600 rupees. I'm actually worried कि ये पूरा जब बैठ जाएगा, because अंदर तो bean bag में जो होता है that balls, whatever that is called, वो है इसके अंदर. So once it's completely flat, how am I gonna fill it up? Because it's not like your regular bean bag कि आप जाके भर सकते हो. So yeah, I don't know what is gonna happen then, but so far so good. 3 months I've used it, and my friends have used it, and it's pretty good. Then I want to talk about the rug that I have kept under my IKEA drawers and my mirror. So the mirror is not fixed on the wall, so I wanted something which will give support to the mirror, and it will not slip and slide because you need some friction. So I got this shaggy rug, which is very, very thick and very, very dense. I love the quality. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the brand, but it's, I think, Ekefi carpet in ivory and beige, and I got it for 1300 rupees, and the size is 2 by 6 feet, and it just looks beautiful. It just camouflages the dirty tiles that I have in this house. I don't like the tiles, that's why I've covered most of the area with rugs. And one thing I want to give you as a disclaimer is that, you know, as a heads up rather, that this will get dirty very, very quickly, so you have to keep on vacuuming it. But if you ask me about the quality, it's top notch. I honestly love the quality. If I ever want to get like a bigger rug, I will definitely look at this brand for sure. Then let's talk about this comforter that I have over here. That's the only thing I have over here, and it's beautiful. It's white in color. It's by the brand called Solimo. I think it's Amazon's in-house brand only. It's currently unavailable. It's like the single size I got, but it's very, very big, so I honestly love it. And you know, it just makes my studio look very, very classy. I don't know what is it with comforters. I just love comforters. Of course, I can use it because AC पूरा time on रहता है studio में. घर पे I don't think you can use it unless and until you have your AC on the whole day, which I don't think anybody has. And last but not the least is the faux grass that I have in my balcony. So that is from this brand called as Yellow Weaves, and it's the high density faux grass carpet for your balcony, and I have got the size 3 by 7. There are so many sizes is available in that, so you can check it out. It's a very lightweight carpet. It's not extremely high density, which I really like. And of course you can't, I mean, it's not comfortable to sit because it has that very rough texture, so you can just lay something down on it and then sit. That day I just put a thick towel over there and I slept on it and I was editing. It was really nice. I got it for around 1600 rupees, which I think is a steal. I mean, I would definitely give a big thumbs up to this one. Okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do. I'll be leaving the links of all of these products in the description box below, as I said, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.